All right, got a little here. Reinstalling the chain on my Cobalt chainsaw for me. You don't want that to fall, baby. So make sure you got some space out here. Make sure you got plenty of space to work on. Good. Yeah, that's what it's gonna look like. So you gotta hold that tight. No, you want to leave it some play. It's got to have play back there. Because that end, that right here, is gonna slip over this thing here. So you can go ahead and pick it up. There you go. Might want to lay down on the side. Lay this on the side. Yeah, I put it on the top first. Slip it around there. There you go. And then pull it. Yeah. There you go. That's it. I mean, make sure that got lined out. There you go. That's the way you want it to sit like that. All right, I'm gonna hold it right here. Go ahead. Get your. I got it. I got it. All right. Yeah, go ahead and tighten it up. Alternate. Right here, alternate. Let's set it up. Let's set it up for the rest of this. Set it up on the side. We need to adjust it a little bit. Let's adjust it, okay? We need to tighten it up a little bit more. Okay, go ahead and take that off. We're gonna pull it back and adjust it again. Chain not tight enough. I'll hold it there. Okay. Now, listen, here's what we got to do. This thing here, it's got to come forward. And we go, and then we tighten the chain up on it. There you go. It just popped into place. Push that chain down a little bit more. There you go. Right. And see how it's in that slide? See that slide? Wait a minute, let me show you. See the slide? Point to what I'm talking about. No. See that little round thing right there? No. Hold the chain. Hold this for me. See that slot right there? See that? It's got to be down in there. Now it's right, okay? We had to make sure it's down in there. Now we got it right. Now we put that on. Now it's going to be right. I forgot about that part. You were going right the other way. Toward you. There you go. Wrist tight. Put it down. Get a battery. Hold it up. Hold it up. Do it again. Very good. Very good. Okay. Cut it off. Okay. Good job. Peace out.